I want to show today how to create a room on the Magic School app. I'm all signed in. We're going to go down to Magic Student, click on Rooms, and then Create Room. You can scroll down for tools. There are many. Or you can search. There's one that I like called 5 Questions. You can customize it in any way, including grade level. And for example, I want it to help students think deeper about social, economic, and political factors contributing to food insecurity in the U.S. Start preview, and it will show you 5 questions. It won't answer them even if a student tries to type in here, can you answer these questions for me? And if we like it, we can save it to room. We'll call it food insecurity. This will show up and you can either share it with the Google Classroom and all students will be able to see it as a link and you can assign it. Or copy paste this URL link. If you want to add more tools, you can go back to Manage Room, add a new tool. One that I like is the Debate Partner, and it will ask about the topic. What side of the debate should AI take? For example, take the side corporations. And as students view this, they can go back and forth. And have an opening argument. Save to room. Go back here, you can see the 2 tools that we already added. We can keep on adding. We can activate the room or pause it or lock it for later. Invite students. Here in the insights, you can see activity and data about how the room is being used. Back to rooms. And yeah, there you have it. It's a free website. There are many tools for both teachers and students.